This is the new Korniche Roof Lantern, and it does many things exceptionally well. Wherever it's fitted, it's going to flood that space with light without compromising on strength and thermal efficiency. Its slim aluminium structure maximises on glass area, while the thermally broken design helps keep your home comfortable all year round. Whether it's a modern extension or a classic renovation, this roof lantern is built to perform and impress. Let me introduce you to the new Korniche Glass Partition. How beautiful is this? I think there's going to be one going into my house. Where do I start? How beautiful is this? This beautiful glass partition just shouts style. It's got incredible sight lines and it's got a great shout back to the heritage. Just look at these hinges. They're brass tips on the end of the hinges, which will match in with any of the handles that you choose. When it comes to the handles, we've got 2 styles of handles and we've got 7 different colors, so you can choose whatever you like. Locking wise, you can have them locking, you can have them with a thumb screw, or you can have them just completely open with no lock at all on them. Now this one here will have a throw bolt that locks the door top and bottom, and this is your sleeve door, open and close. It's got a magnetic latch on it. Oh, they're so good. Glazing wise, you've got a bit of a choice. You can have a 4mm toughened glass or a 6.8mm acoustic laminate glass. You can even have privacy glass if you want in there, or solid panels. It's entirely up to you. The choice is endless. Also on the glazing, we've got the Korniche Click Bead here, which makes glazing very simple. Look at this, it's beautiful. Why would you not want to have this? It gives you light, it gives you privacy, and it gives you a lot of style. At Korniche, we also produce this premium flat glass product. The beauty about this is you can get it in double glazing, you can get it in triple glazing. And one of the great things about it is, if anything ever happens to the unit and it gets broken, you can remove it from the outside without damaging any interior decoration or damaging any of the roof membrane. It's a really good system. We can also supply you with the upstand, which is set at the correct pitch for the FlatLite to sit on. It's a fantastic product. Also at Korniche, we produce this product, which is called our FlatLite. It also comes in double and triple glazing. It's a fantastic bit of kit. It brings contemporary lines to any building and floods your property with light. It's well worth thinking about. This is the Korniche Sips Upstand, and it takes all the guesswork out of preparation. It's precision manufactured for accuracy and thermal performance and for the ease of fitting on site. So for homeowners, it means a better performing product from day one.